The world of artificial intelligence moves at a relentless pace, often leaving us exhilarated but sometimes uneasy. Today, we peel back the layers of a different kind of AI, one that was born not from a race for sheer power, but from a profound moral imperative. We're talking about Claude AI and the company that built it, Anthropic. My curiosity about Claude isn't just about its impressive benchmark scores. It's about the very DNA of its creation. It's a philosophical project wrapped in a trillion-parameter model. Let's start at the beginning. 1. The genesis, Anthropic and the constitutional mandate. The story of Claude is fundamentally a story of conviction. Its creators, led by siblings, Dario and Daniela Amodei. Dario was a former VP of research at OpenAI, left a leading AI lab in 2021 to found Anthropic. Their motivation was clear. They believed the industry was moving too quickly, prioritizing capability over safety, and that the risks of powerful AI were escalating faster than the safeguards. Their core philosophical ethic is embodied in their flagship innovation, constitutional AI, CAI. Traditional AI models are often aligned using reinforcement, learning from human feedback, or RLHF, which relies on thousands of human contractors to rank and curate responses. The Anthropic team saw limitations and potential biases in this. Constitutional AI is a dramatic pivot. Instead of solely relying on human judgment, they instill Claude with a written constitution, a set of guiding principles, many drawn from global ethics like the UN's Universal Declaration of Human Rights. The model learns to self-critique and revise its own outputs against these explicit, transparent rules. This is what makes Claude, by design, helpful, harmless, and honest. It promotes consistency, transparency, and gives Anthropic an auditable blueprint for why Claude refuses a harmful query. It's not just powerful, it's principled. 2. The current importance and transformative human impact. In a crowded field, Claude has carved out a position of vital importance through technical excellence that translates directly into human utility. One of Claude's most celebrated capabilities is its massively extended context window, now reaching a capacity that can process the equivalent of entire novels or massive data rooms in a single request. This is not a parlor trick. It's a revolutionary tool for knowledge workers. An investment analyst, for instance, can upload a decade of earnings reports, a competitor's entire data room, and all relevant SEC filings, and ask Claude to synthesize a comprehensive due diligence report in minutes. The human job shifts from tedious reading and data extraction to higher-level strategic evaluation. Second is its renowned advanced reasoning and superior coding ability. Models like the latest Claude Opus often lead on complex coding benchmarks like SWE Bench. For developers at companies like Netflix or GitHub, this translates to faster feature development, reportedly, seeing a 20–30% increase in development velocity and dramatically reduced onboarding time for new hires. The AI functions as an omnipresent expert collaborator. And the bottom line for the human worker? We are seeing real quantifiable time savings in the enterprise space. Reports from early adopters of the enterprise plan show a 90% reduction in work time for business proposals and an average of 20% weekly time saved on analytical tasks. Claude, therefore, isn't replacing work. It's reallocating human capacity toward higher value, more creative and strategic endeavors. 3. The financial and corporate stability ecosystem. Any deep tech company's longevity depends on financial stability and market trust. Anthropic has both in spades, validated by some of the world's most powerful corporations. Investment and validation. The company's strategic financial backing is monumental. Amazon has committed to a total investment of up to $4 billion, making it the minority stakeholder and choosing Amazon Web Services, AWS, as Anthropic's primary cloud provider. Similarly, Google has committed to significant investment, totaling billions of dollars. This level of capital infusion from two tech titans demonstrates profound confidence in Anthropic's long-term vision and its safety-first approach. It's a massive financial stability cushion. Impact on financial security and compliance. Nowhere is the need for accuracy and stability more critical than in finance. This is where Anthropic's Claude for Financial Services, including its financial analysis solution, shines. This is an enterprise-only platform designed to tackle the industry-specific challenges. 1. Due diligence and modeling. Claude accelerates the creation of complex financial models, including DCF and LBO analyses. It can be used for deep dives into portfolio performance and competitive benchmarking. In one remarkable test, a Claude-powered Excel agent passed 5 out of 7 levels of the Financial Modeling World Cup competition. 2. Compliance automation. Crucially, the system unifies data from sources like Snowflake and Databricks and provides outputs that include full audit trails and verified source data. This is essential for compliance and dramatically reduces the risk of hallucinations in high-stakes reporting. By automating compliance and risk modeling, like Monte Carlo simulations, Claude is transforming compliance from a reactive burden into a proactive, efficient function, safeguarding the institution's financial integrity. 4. Ethical safeguards and the future of trust. For all its capability, the biggest question remains, can we trust it? Anthropic has made this question its North Star. Claude's core function is to be aligned with human values, and they enforce this through several sophisticated mechanisms. Constitutional AI, CAI. As discussed, the CAI process is designed to prevent malicious misuse by embedding safeguards directly into the AI's decision-making. When a user tries to prompt Claude to create malicious code or fraudulent content, the model is trained to refuse and, crucially, to justify its refusal based on its constitution. The hallucination challenge. Hallucination, the AI making up false facts, is a major threat to trust, especially in finance and healthcare. Anthropic actively combats this with techniques like reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF, combined with CAI, explicitly training the model to be honest. Furthermore, in their enterprise solutions, the system is designed to cite every source and express uncertainty, a crucial humility that stops the model from filling a knowledge gap with a fabrication. Active monitoring and classifiers. Once deployed, Anthropic uses specialized AI models called classifiers to monitor user Claude interactions in real time. These safety models are constantly looking for policy violations, going beyond single prompts to identify subtle, coordinated misuse or sophisticated attack patterns. This allows for instant intervention and continuous safety improvement. Claude AI is more than just a language model. It is an experiment in building a future where powerful AI is intrinsically safe. Its origin story is a philosophical statement. Its capabilities are a revolutionary tool for human productivity and corporate stability, and its safeguards are a model for the kind of trust that will be essential for AI to fully integrate into our financial and professional lives. It has truly given us an artificial intelligence with a constitutional conscience.